Hello, everybody. So this is going to be a really quick graphing review on how to read an ordered pair and how to find it on a coordinate plane. Okay, so here we go. Graphing review. All right, so things to think about and to remember is when you have an ordered pair, that means you have a number that's like x, y. So you have two numbers. The first number is the x coordinate, the second number is the y coordinate. And those correspond to the x and y axis. So the x axis is the horizontal axis, and the y axis is the vertical axis. So this is my x axis, and this is my y-axis, which are just number lines. So if I look at this x-axis, this is just a number line where 0 is in the middle. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, that's 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I go in the other direction, that's -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So that's my horizontal number line is my x-axis. Should put axis. And my vertical number line is my y-axis, which starts at 0, and then we're going up, they're positive numbers. So going up is positive. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And going down, those are negative numbers. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. All right. So now when we go to graph an ordered pair, we realize that the first coordinate corresponds to the x-axis. The second coordinate, the y-coordinate, corresponds to the y-axis. And where do those two meet? So let's say we have an ordered pair, -2, 3. Okay. The first coordinate is my x, and the second coordinate is my y. Here's my x, here's my y. So if x is -2, I'm going to go to the x-axis, and I'm going to go to where it's -2, right here. Now that's not where the point is. I now need to see where it intersects with y as 3. So if it's x is -2 and y is 3, it's positive, we go up. Where do those two meet? -2, up 3, up because it's positive, and that's where my point's going to go. So I'm going to call that point A. So there's point A is at -2, 3. There's point A. All right. So then let's say I have another point. Let's do this point in like lavender. We're going to call it point B. And I'm going to say that that is at zeros, sometimes throws students off. So let's say this point is at 0, -2. Okay, here's my x coordinate. Here's my y coordinate. There's my y. There's my x. So first we go to the x-axis right here, and it's 0. So 0 just means I don't move left or right. We stay right here where the 0 is on the x. Y is -2, so that means I'm going to go down 2, but I stay where x is 0. So it's going to stay right here on this axis right here. So this is where coordinate B is, or point B goes. All right. Let's use green. So then let's say C is 5, 0. Okay. My first coordinate is x. My second coordinate is y. If x is 5, I go along the x-axis to where 5 is, positive 5. That's over here. It's between 4 and 6, so there's positive 5. And my y-axis, my y-coordinate is 0. So I go x is 5, but y is 0, which means I don't go up or down. It stays right here on this axis. So that's where that point goes. So this is where point C is. All right. So that's kind of a quick review of graphing. It's going to be really important for later on this year when we are going to be doing quite a bit of graphing, and understanding where to find ordered pairs on a coordinate plane is going to be very, very important. All right. Thanks. Have a great day.